Okay, from our last video, we arrived here. That is building the WordPress website. So we are the part 2 of the video. Okay, previously I told you that when you finish setting up, okay, your website name, then you will come back to here. We want to build a WordPress website. Okay, now if in case you've written already your HTML website with other CSS and all those things, and then you have it in HTML type, like then you can upload it here. Okay, you click here, then you upload. But since you are going to create a WordPress website, we are going to click on WordPress. It means that no matter the hosting website that you register with, the most important thing is seeing this symbol. This symbol is WordPress. So when you want to create the website, make sure you see, anytime you see the symbol there, okay, with build WordPress site, you simply need to click on install now. So we are going to install. But in the installation process, this is what will happen. You will need the login and all those things information. But make sure, look here. Here is computerspeakers.00. This is a subdomain of 000wordhostapplication.com. Okay, so what we are going to do is that if you buy your domain before you even create the WordPress website, I will prefer that you create or you buy your domain first. Okay, you simply need to just take this off. Okay, anyway, you can see from this that we cannot take it off, but we have the settings. Okay, we have the settings in the back office of the 00 word post that you can just change things up and you are finished. Okay, now on your hosting site, you have a place to enter your domain and change this URL that you see over there. So this is not a problem. Okay, now here you will need your admin username and your admin password. That is for your cPanel. That is where you will log in, you will change things up from your website. Okay, so you need to enter website password that you can remember. Okay, so here, let me see if it's what I know. Okay, I'll just close it up, take this off, and write something that I can remember. Okay, now I know what I have here. I have the admin as my username. I know my password. I know the language is English. No, I know, and I also know that the URL is this for the meantime. Okay, it's for the meantime. Now we are going to click on install. Automatically, when you click on install, you will see that it will start loading right here. Okay, because WordPress itself is a CMS. Okay, it's just a website in its form. Then you just need to beautify it and make it a very nice website. Okay, so it will take up to 60 seconds for your website to be set up. So sit back and relax. This is what they are telling us. Well, you can't sit back and relax. Okay, just need to work. So you see that your database and everything will be created by WordPress. Okay, database up to 100%. Okay, setting up a database user, and everything will be set up for you by. So you won't have the headache of writing HTML and everything. No, it's just a simple way of creating a website. And most of the websites we see around are created by WordPress, are created with WordPress. Okay, so this is the configuration file and it will do everything for you. Okay, now I think we are up finalizing up to 100%. Okay, it's just simple. You need your terms and everything is done. Okay, now that we have finished installing, okay, we are just going, that is 8900. Okay, now your software is now ready for configuration. Congratulations, it's ready. Okay, your WordPress is now ready for configuration. All that you need to do is go to configuration page. Now on other pages, it's different from this. After setting everything up, you have a button like this one. Okay, then you simply go to the configuration page, then you can see how it works, how everything is. Now Without wasting my time, when it loads, I'm going to show you how your page will look like. In fact, log in. Okay, so you can see from here that you need to log into WordPress. Well, that is why I told you that you shouldn't forget your username and your password. But here we are lucky. Your username or email address. That's the email we used for the creation over there. Okay. So I already know this thing, the username, and I know my password too. Okay. I can even click here to remember if it's your own computer. Okay. If it's not for you, don't click there. Somebody will log into your account. Now here I will go back to my dashboard. Okay, I now have my WordPress dashboard with computer speakers. Okay, computer speakers. Now what you must know about domain is that it talks about what your website is about. If you want to sell, let's say, uh, mobile phones, try using a domain name that reflects back to mobile phones, that talks about mobile phones. Mobilephonehouse.com, mobilephonesghetto.com, mobilephones.com, or something like that. Okay, now let's look at here. So this is how I'm doing. So if you see me with computer speakers, it's mainly that I can promote computer speakers on this page or on this website. Okay, yes, you can think about different things. What are you passionate about? What do you know to do more? You can use that. Now this is how your WordPress website backend is. The backend is where you do your configurations. Then let me show you where your front end is. The front end is where this link leads to. That is where people, when people click on your link, where they go to. Okay, the page they view, the page they see is the front end. Okay, so let me paste. This is the front end. This is what visitors will see. This is where people, when people click it from social media, click on your link, where they will go. That is the front end. That is what they will see. Okay, this is what you are going to see. Now when it loads, that is when you type your articles, you write your articles, you put in your videos and everything, what people will see is the front end. Now you can see from here that this is what people will see. For the meantime, okay, this is what people will see. People will see this if they type this. Now let's say that you bought a domain, okay, excluding this one. Maybe it's computerspeakers.com. It will still be something like this that they will see. And we are going to work on it in such a way that you can have a better website with everything, a nice website. Okay, so in all, this is how we create a WordPress website. Okay, and this is the part 2. We are going to learn how to do the different things all together across the WordPress site. Okay, so let's go here. Now this is your dashboard. The first thing that will come, okay, the first thing you should know about the dashboard is all that you can see here. Okay, now here is your home. When you click here, you are going to visit the page that you clicked on. Okay, home. It's like visiting back your site. Now here you show you the update. Okay, the update is more information about what is happening on your site. Now here is where you are going to create your post, and on the post you are going to create all posts. Here we show you all the posts that you have on the website. Okay, now we have the add new. Add new is creating a new post. Here is where you are going to create categories. Now the tags are normally keywords. Okay, what the post is talking about in short words. Okay, now here is the media. The media is where your photos, your music, your videos all goes to. Now if you want to add a new video, a new music, a new PDF and more information, you simply need to click here, and we'll talk about that, okay, as a new video, some videos that we're creating. Now pages, This is when you want to create a new page. Okay, it is not a post but a page. Okay, here we show you all the pages. This is a new page, creating a new page. Now the comment section is where all the comment people made on your website goes to. It will show you the number of comments that you have on your website. Okay, appearance. The appearance is where you are going to beautify your website. The term is something like the dress for your the painting for your website. Okay, we use the term to beautify the website. You can buy terms from different sites, then to install on your WordPress site, and it will change to that term. Okay, with all the categories and everything in place, then you have a nice site. Now here, customize. Here we click here to customize everything on the site. If you want to remove something, you want to add something, everything, you use the customize. Okay, now the widgets are what we found by the right hand side, left hand side, down of the website. They are widgets. Okay, they help the website to function more. They give the beautification to the website more. Okay, now the menus, you know what is it? Normally at the top with home, about us, and all those things. The header is the top of the distance of the website. Okay, normally it contains an image. Okay, the header, it can be an image with some writings on it. It contains most of the times the social icons and more. Now the editor is the HTML part of the website. It converts the whole term, the whole site into an HTML where you can edit your website or more when you know more about HTML. Okay, now plugin are things that help the website to work more. It gives beautification to, and it makes it work faster. It makes it work easily. Okay, plugins, we'll come back to that. Users, if you want to add somebody to help you on your website, you can use the user. Okay, add somebody in such a way that maybe the person can be posting ads on it and more and more and more and more. Okay, posting articles and posts and more distant on it. Now tools are normally where you can do some small things. Change URL. The change URL is what I was talking about. If you buy your domain, you can click here and change the URL altogether. Okay, so the computer speakers.000 is so long and it's not professional. You buy your own domain, you buy your own hosting, we change the URL, and then what we do, we simply need to post it on a website. We get everything on board, and then the website is live working. Okay, now this is a plugin for backup. Okay, you can use it to export, import, and backup your website. It's also very good. Okay, here is the settings section of your WordPress site. Click here, the general, the settings for your writing, certain general settings, reading, discussion, media, the links and everything. You can have settings for that here. Okay, now here collapse menu. Okay, here it will just send it back to the other side. So in all, there are also other parts here. Okay, the screen options. This is when you're writing or doing something. You can just, if you don't want to show some things that I find here, I can just take them off by taking them off. You see at a glance, welcome, and you will see that the place is almost, there's nothing right there. But if you want to leave some things there, touch them, it will come. You take them and they will show up. So all depends on you. It's just simple as ABC. Okay, so today this is what I wanted you guys to learn. It's just the basic. Our next video will talk about how to customize the site in such a way that you can start posting your ads and everything. What you need to do about the settings. Okay, the settings, the first settings that you need to do before you start everything. Okay, now type of media, how to write everything, and then how to start posting your ads and get the website in place. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for being with me on this video. We've learned a lot and more are still coming. Okay, so stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, then more is still coming. So thank you. There are more coming, so keep watching. Okay, thank you.